Dr. Jamal does a great job at taking complex cardiology topics and making them easy to understand. One of the ways he does this is all of his videos, he's drawing the diagrams himself, and that makes it to where I can understand each individual fact as he brings it to me, rather than just throwing up an overly complex diagram. I also like that he touches on the cardiology topics that are a little bit more advanced than what the current videos are available to us. So even as I get to that level higher up in my education, there's still going to be a video series that can help me out.
Dr. Jamal's videos just offer us students another way to learn if either the prior lecture hasn't been enough or if we just learn better visually. Another really cool thing that Dr. Jamal does in his videos is provide really interesting facts to help us remember certain things. So for example, in his Takotsubo cardiomyopathy video, he explains where the term Takotsubo came from. So actually it's a Japanese pot they used to use to catch octopus. Oddly enough, that pot looks exactly like what Takotsubo cardiomyopathy looks like on left heart cath. So thanks to Dr. Jamal, I will never forget Takotsubo cardiomyopathy or what it looks like on left heart cath.
I found Dr. Jamal's videos extremely helpful. Not only does he cover in depth a lot of cardiology topics on which I don't feel we get very good education, he covers them very clearly and very concisely. He jumps into the anatomy as well as the electrophysiology very well. Not only that, he also has a series on ultrasound which shows what he's looking at, and in real time, in the same thing, it shows how he positions the probe. And I think that's the hardest part about ultrasound. So overall, it's been extremely helpful.
I use Dr. Jamal's videos on a weekly basis to review these difficult cardiology and electrophysiology topics that slip out of your head while you're on rotations where you don't see an EKG for a little while. I also use these videos pretty often to remind myself the basis of the electrophysiology and arrhythmias so that I can describe to my patients from the bottom up what's going on. They'll understand their diagnosis, they understand our treatments a lot better, and it really pulls them into their care. So I think that these videos have a positive impact on my medical education, but also on my patient care. And I hope to continue to see these videos in the future. I think they're very helpful.